Welcome guys, I am Subhamalik and in this video I am going to share with you this wonderful free word art generator or word cloud generator from Creative Fabrica. You can enter your own words here and then click on the update changes and it will totally change look and feel of this word cloud or word art. You can select any shapes, you can change the colors, you can change the font, and you can create beautiful looking word art or word clouds and you can upload these to your KDP book covers. To access this, you need to go to creativefabrica.com/shapecloud. Here, let me refresh this page. Once you are here, creativefabrica.com/shapecloud, it will show you this default page. Here they have already entered their own words and they have selected a blue color for font color and they have included this shape. And the font is, these are all default settings. You can change everything, like we can add our own words. Firstly, we need to delete these words. Here I am going to enter my own words like success, ambition, focus, mission, and here we add passion, and here we go. Once you have selected your words, you can click on the update changes and it will update the whole word art or word cloud. You need to wait a few seconds to update. You can see here this has changed the way it looks. Now we can change the shape of this word art. Just go to here, you can select animals, you can select baby and kids, basic and mix. If you select basics, it will show us these shapes. You can select star and then you can also change the font, like I'm going to change this to this one, and you can also change the colors. This has selected blue. You can select any single color or you can select schema and select your range of colors, like I'm going to select this one. Once you have made these changes, you can go toward the top and click update changes and it will update the shape altogether. You can see here shape has been changed to star. Let's try another shape, this pentagon, and change the colors as well to these frenzy, and then go back to the update changes and see what happens. Wow, it has changed it to a pentagon. Let's change it to an animals, like we can select this butterfly and then we can go down and change our font if we want to, Roboto Mono, and then let's change the color to neutral blue and then hit on the update changes. Wow, you can change the color. Let me select a different color here from frenzy to this vitamin C and let's click on the update changes. Wow, it looks beautiful. We can download this and save onto our hard drive and then we can create a cover for our notebook or any journal and upload to Amazon KDP. So I am downloading this one. Once you click on the download button, it will show the formats toward the bottom of this page. You can save as PNG, SVG or PDF. I am going to save it as a PDF and it will download a PDF version of this page. You can rename this. Once downloaded, you can open it and see how it looks. Here we go, it is wonderful. And next you can also go back to Creative Fabrica and if you want to, you can change the shape like to cat and then click on the update changes and it will totally change the word art for you. Here we can see it has changed the word art or word cloud. You can click on download and then go down here and select PNG and save onto your hard drive, and once downloaded you can open this to see how it looks. You can see here this is our cat word art or cat shaped word art or word cloud. So in this way you can create beautiful looking word arts for free using Creative Fabrica's Shape Cloud. You can go to creativefabrica.com/shapecloud. I will leave the link in the description below if you are interested in this free word art generator from Creative Fabrica. So that is all from me today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.